Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset or recover our Wattpad account password. So you have forgotten your Wattpad account password and you want to reset and recover it. What you can do is just tap on your Wattpad application, and after opening your Wattpad application, tap on forgot password, which is on the bottom. And now you have to enter your username or email address. And after entering that email address, just tap on send instructions. And after tapping on send instructions, you will receive an email from your and after tapping on send instructions, you will receive an email from Wattpad in your email address. You just have to enter your email, you just have to enter your Gmail, and then search for Wattpad in social. You can find the message. So just tap on that and then tap on reset password. And after tapping on reset password, now you have to enter your new password and then re-enter that same password. And after choosing a password, just tap on reset password. And after tapping on reset password, you have successfully resetted your password. So this is how to reset or recover Wattpad password if you have forgotten. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.